Hello guys, it's Hillman here. And also Aaron, and we are going to feed her the chicks with worms. Let's see how this goes. This is the Worm Wars. And it has begun. And they are really fast. Yep. We haven't named these guys yet, so guys, you're gonna have to name them. The comments below. This will make a fun game. Whoever gets the most comments wins for naming these little guys. They're short little guys. They have a little bit different toes. I'll show the images later, and yeah. This will probably go on for 10 minutes. I don't know. It's a real football game or keep away game. Literally. I think they're a little tired because earlier we tested it and they were really crazy. So yeah. Oh, this is so crazy. He still has the worm. What happens if I drop more worms in it? They're not going to notice it until later.
Wait,
Look,
lied.
I noticed it.
Where's the other worm? Did he eat it? No, it's over there. Now he has 2 worms. Well, how many worms are in there?
A bunch. He doesn't even notice it. He goes up to it. Doesn't even peck it. Yeah, they're just like, we're not touching it. Okay, guys. Now that was our keep away game.
Wait. Are they gonna start it anew?
I think they're bored. Till next time on Worm Keep Away. Brought to you by the Worms. Hi, Aaron. Hi. And yeah, hope you enjoyed.